Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel, Philippine Expat Country Living. So here is Philippine Expat Garden and Farm, my husband channel. We're going to unbox our vacuum, guys. We pick up that one yesterday in Tagbilaran. A very nice vacuum. Yay, we have vacuum now. Thank you, darling.
Yeah, it's a wet and dry vac.
Yes, very nice. Oh, there you go. Yellow. One of my favorite color.
And it's got a spot for those. I don't know what it's.
The bag.
Yeah, we got just one bag. Yep. But it doesn't need a bag. Oh, where's the? Oh, let's hope it's on the inside here. Yeah.
Nice.
Big manual.
That's good. Have a manual.
Okay, this is the piece I was looking for. I'm still missing the brush. Would be so handy to have, but none of them had that. So,
No, there's a brush there.
No, I'm not talking about this brush here. There's a little thing like this. It's got a round brush on it, and it's just the handiest little thing, and none of the vacs here include that. But we got wheels, so the first thing we need to do
is put a wheel. Wow. Oh, that's easy. You just push it.
Yep.
Nice. Wow. Wow. Fancy. This is my first vacuum. To have a vacuum in the house.
So let's get it together here.
There's what's that, blower and vac?
Well, it can be, you can reverse this. It's a vacuum cleaner here. Okay. And always get this to where the indent is. A vacuum cleaner here.
And what's on at the back? There is at the back.
And, oh, what's that kind of? Well, I've got the other plug.
So we need adapter here because they did not include.
Oh, wow, they don't ever include that. They should. But they don't ever include nothing.
That's the extension.
Yeah.
Handle. Nice.
But we'll have to see somehow if there's if somewhere we can find a little brush. Oh, that's just the handiest. There's different attachments, and some are just really handy for getting it. Usually this is that long to get you really into tight places.
Yeah.
But let me see if I got that.
Wow, nice. See the box here, guys. There you go. Nice. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I can clean the dust, the dead leaves. Nice. Oh, nice. I can clean the leaves, the dry leaves. That's fancy.
Okay. An outlet here.
Oh, wow. Philip tried to be careful. Oh! The cat! Wow! Nice! Ooh. Very nice. Here in the corner. Here. In the corner. There you go. Oh. See the ants?
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, yeah.
Very nice.
Seeing what
In the house, the floor, because it's so messed there. Just naging
I'll show you what I want it for. This is just in the wrong spot.
Here, the window, the screen. Oh,
See all the dirt?
yeah. Wow, that's a long piece. Oh, I can reach to the rope. Oh, the rope.
Well, I need the other piece. Like this.
What's that?
Look. Oh, honey, it'll suck up anything. The dirt off the floor and the crack.
You clean now.
And then use the little one to get in there. All this stuff.
Yep.
Because it's on the edge, won't get it.
Wow.
That's
Might be suck a lot of juice. Very nice. Very nice vacuum. Oh. Nice.
Yeah, I'm surprised it doesn't have it for this too.
Thank you for cleaning the little room. There you go. So our vacuum, very nice.
And this just hangs on here. And there you go.
You see? Oh yeah. Nice. Thank you.
Yep.
Thanks,
Well, like I
darling.
said, that'll clean up all this stuff. And especially in my room over there where there's just...
Yeah, when you roam. So the dust, you won't inhale that.
Yep.
Very nice. There's a brush. Nice. Then you can clean the car, the floor.
Well, now I'm curious of one thing.
Oh,
The ants?
the ants. Dust, hair.
They survived that, honey.
So the filter is okay there.
Yep.
Very nice. So this is the manual. But we only have we don't have this one. And the brush, this is the one Philip looking. Nothing in the box. Only this one. Oh. Asa ko ni palitan ka? I think this one. Oh, there is the one. Oh, this is nice. Yeah. The one that we have is here and this one. The long handle. Of course, there is one here. This one too. They don't have that. Nice vacuum. And there is one bag here. That's it. No more. So bye guys. Thanks for watching.